I'm only 20, but it feels like plenty, man. I still get blown, but I don't sip Henny. I'm laying in the back of the Maybach Benny. 2025, yeah, my jeans still heady. This is pain, not blood, I'm feeling pain. I'm sipping syrup, smoking up, I feel it in my brain. Try dress like me, we are not the same. I'm a winner, man, let's
What mod are we doing today?
We're just on a handbrake because it failed MOT.
And how did you get it here?
On the M4 with a covered up plate. See, this is why it's so high, so you can move it up and take it off.
Is that why it failed the MOT?
Where's the bolt?
Oh, you can see we're one side stronger than the other.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. What's the name? Dickan.
Dickan, dude.
Dickan. This is a Mazda.
This is a Mazda, dude. It's not a Mazda, it's a Toyota, but it's a Civic. Yeah, see, you just fucking fell down, that's why, because it keeps falling out. That's why it's not working. I need to sellotape it. Look, turn the lights on. Do you have to turn the lights on in my car?
What cheap ass fucking healthy bulb people.
Bro, I paid £8 for two.
£8 for two?
Yeah.
You got scammed.
No, it's fucked up, man.
Show your MOT guy this. I don't know what went wrong. We hot glued it in. Alright, we pretend we're going over a speed bump. Okay. Okay. Lots of speed bumps. Alright, fixed.
Okay.
What can I say?
Alright, so what have you been doing?
So I took a roadworthy car and made it unroadworthy.
I mean, it does run, right?
It does run, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay.
Oh my god, a hard top. Crazy. In primer. If only there was cool things to go with it.
Oh my god.
Body kit is...
In the garden, dude. What's so special about this body kit, isn't it?
Oh, it's called a KBD kit. Yeah, look at that, it's all...
Oh, just like my... So what else are you going to do? Because obviously it's prime now.
It needs sanding, again, just to block it back. And then paint. Under the wing. So I have to use my hands.
Alright, so it's been 2 weeks, but what's changed? What's different? What's different?
It's green.
Look at his natural habitat. Sit, work. What? No joke's body kit. Oh yeah.
It's bendy.
So when you go into a bush, you won't break.
It won't rip off. Especially with these new age fandangle fucking cable ties.
What are you thinking, Ray?
Gangsta!
Gangsta. Oh shit, busting it down. Oh! So these mirrors are done now. Now it's just all this shit. And he's painting, right?
Huh?
And he's painting, right?
No. This is the colour. Done it once before.
Why do you think I chose this life? I don't wanna wait and serve.
Sorry, I'm gonna do a little continuation of the video that we've been filming because it's been 2 weeks. So what?
First time the car's ever made it.
Yeah, but what's changed? I think something's different now.
Um,
I think something's different.
it's still green.
Is the interior good now as well, or?
Yeah, everything interior-wise is definitely 100% bolted down and show car worthy. Because this is a 2025 show car. This is the standards I expect people to have. Dust, overspray, which you can't be asked to peel off yet.
Yeah, but can you see it when the doors are shut?
Oh yeah.
Can you? Oh shit, you can.
Don't look at that either, because yeah, that's fine. Again, it's a 2-minute job to get it looking better, but I really couldn't be asked.
The roof looks clean though, look at that.
It's cool. It's one.
Cars. Yeah. And this one was made with love.
Been in last, still no keys, no bimmer. My crooked smile make me seem a little bit up.
We have a natural faggot in his natural habitat, which is admiring pieces of trash. Oh, and a femboy.
It looks great, man. If we go out again, we gotta put it in your guys' cars because it looks fucking sick. Alright, I'm ready whenever. If you made it so far in the video, thank you so much for watching. This video took us a really long time to record, honestly. Basketball video that you can see at the start of the film was actually recorded before May. So as you can see, there's been a lot of changes. There's different wheels, but I haven't mentioned in the video. There's different stickers. So yeah, I appreciate you watching. More videos coming soon. And yeah, cheers guys.